Today I'm staying at the Vanderpump Hotel instead of Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas to see if the newer, more stylish option can actually beat one of the most iconic names on the strip. But with Vanderpump bringing its own brand of glamour and hype, is it really the better stay or just a trend with good lighting? I'm checking to test the room, the casino, the food, the vibe, and whether staying here gives you more value than going with a Vegas legend. So is Vanderpump the smarter choice or should you stick with Caesars? There's an option to check in online, but I heard the registration area is worth seeing. The right side is lined up with alcohol displays while the left has the cutest teacup setup. I'm checking in today.
So it's hot out there. Did you want water or anything?
Yes, it's so hot. Thank you, Bad Bunny.
It's a little bit early for check-in.
Okay.
I can get you checked in right now. It would be $20 additional.
I'm saving it for Giada.
No worries.
She gave me a coin for a free drink, plus there's complimentary refreshment in the lobby. Come on in, even if you're not a guest, you're welcome. Our room is not yet ready, but I know that from Caesars. I'm so excited to show you the whole Vanderpump Hotel. It's gonna be really exciting and like some surprises I actually didn't know myself. They don't have casual dining. We have to outsource our casual dining. Caesars Sportsbook is right here, but first, coffee. I'm also getting hungry and the sandwiches here are looking good. Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y tú? Pistachio cortadito. Turkey avo BLT. Every time I'm here in Vegas, I always think of this place because they do the perfect cortadito. And their coffee is actually from Cuba. And yeah, we're gonna bet, so I need my mind. It's 105 in Vegas right now. And I don't want to move. I just want to stay indoors. I've been craving for greens and a semi-healthy meal. A turkey avo sandwich is perfect. I'm surprised how big servings are here. It's creamy, savory, and has crisp elements. We're back. It's time to make a bet. I gotta sit for a while for decision making. No one's scoring for like overtime. Can I bet on Colombia? $50. What team are you guys for? Draw. Can I bet on Croatia? Should I do draw? No, $50 Croatia. Even though we're checking in late, I am very entertained with the World Cup right now. We actually bet one on Croatia, one on... What did I bet? Colombia. 5 p.m. from Croatia, and then Colombia is 7 p.m. So the whole night, we're gonna expect something fun. They also gave me a free drink. I don't know why. This is the first time it happened. Thank you. Do I look thirsty? Yes, I am. Because the pool closes at 5 p.m. and check-in is not till like 4 p.m. We might not have enough time to check out the pool. I mean, I could do it tomorrow, but it opens at 10. It's only 10 to 5. Yeah, it's a weird time for the pool. Plan now is to work out and then get to the pool. I have to burn that bread. You do need a room card to get in here. It's a good thing they have towels because I need it. Yay, they gave us a room. We're room 621. We're gonna check that out later. I don't even know how many floors this place is. My goal right now is to just work on my upper body because I know I did a lot of steps already, so I don't need to work out more of the legs because that's what got me into a knee surgery that I'm still healing until now, but I'm way better. There's no water here, by the way. You can ask from the front desk, which is super near. Like this fitness center is just at the back of the front desk. I wonder if people can see us inside. Parking is $20 on weekdays and valid until the next night. EV charging available. I decided to just grab my stuff right now. Walking to the front was easy, but it's so hot right now.
I know, it is.
Walking into Vanderpump Hotel, the first thing that stands out is the design. By the way, these flowers are fresh. It feels darker, moodier, and way more intimate than your typical Vegas casino floor. There's a mix of casino action and lounge-style energy. Of course, I had to try it. No phone inside. Compared to Caesar's Palace Las Vegas, it definitely feels less grand, less chaotic.
From Vegas. We got to meet her. She's amazing.
I like that it's more curated, more polished, and more about experience than just size. That's fast. Let's go. Only 8 floors and we're on the 6th. This lift is making constant funny sounds. You can actually say, see you at the lift, because there is a seat here and you might as well wait for everyone here, right? The polished design didn't stop at the ground floor. No vending machine. The brand actually looks like Louis Vuitton. Wait, is that from Starbucks?
Yes. If you order goes through the system, they make it and I deliver it.
I wonder if we get the Bellagio view. No restaurant ads. I just can't push it. Say hello to Alfred. They do check your ID, not just this one.
I'm gonna run over front desk. I'm gonna let them know about your door.
Yes. Just want to say Alfred's the best.
Some lady came in earlier and she was like, I don't have my purse. I didn't think to bring
Yeah.
my purse to the pool. I was like, I'm so sorry.
Let's go check the pool before they close. And the heat is making me drink. Wait, I couldn't believe it's just on the 3rd floor. Okay. Pool's right there. This walkway definitely sets the tone. It's like you're stepping into a private lounge. This entrance is quite dramatic. Oh, wow. Okay. It's like a loop and then we need to go down. Yellow! It's so dramatic just to enter. Hang out. Yes, please.
All right. Sorry. Here you are.
Thank you. Wow. It's so huge. Wow. I'm excited to try all of this. And every one of this is reserved. Once you get inside, the pool does feel intimate.
It's not a day club.
Okay.
It's just a resort pool.
There is a free drink here. I like this cucumber. Yes, I'm this thirsty. I thought it's gonna be packed, but like here we are. You got pretty much a lot of space. These are the only ones that are free to sit. I bet these are reserved. Honestly, they're not really strict at this time. And most guests come here because of the killer views. 107 degrees right now in Las Vegas. Can you believe it? Actually, I'm gonna enter right here because I can't wait. I need the water. Oh. Wow, that feels so good. The water feels perfect. Perfectly tempered water. This rooftop pool feels serene, kinda Euro chic, and has an upscale atmosphere. This is how a cabana looks like. Your TV right there. It has a little private pool which is cute and handy. I could definitely hang anywhere around here. You can also watch live World Cup here. There's several floaties and I think you can borrow that. Maybe we should try one, right? Thinking about it, this space works for casual dining too. Light bowls, salad, sushi, and shareables are all under $30 at the Strip. But once you add a drink, that adds up. I'm so glad I took my bags in first before heading to the pool. That way I could just shower and do a room tour. Wow, that cooler looks so good. So cute. Welcome to the Vanderpump room. I heard that this painting came from Cromwell. I have no complaints. It's well lit and modern. This is how it looks like before I showered. I've just used the shower and my only complaint is they only have the rain shower option. And so if you don't want to wet your hair or your face, it's just gonna get wet all over. I wish they have a body shower too. I did do some acrobatic stunts not to get my hair wet. Bless the ones who curse you. They translate every single saying into French. That's life, c'est la vie. And I love that there's a full-length mirror here. I had to test them just to tell you because they're new and they're actually not bad. I actually like the scent of it, except that there's no like this body wash. We are at the back end of the room, so from the loo we have our view already. I remember requesting for Bellagio view, but we didn't get it, and that's okay. Because we're actually comparing this hotel to Caesar's Palace and we have the Caesar's Palace view. Doubt we can open the balcony, but there's no harm to try. Oops, what? That opened. Okay, this one's locked. We can't get fresh air, but that's okay. It's nice because we could partially see the view of the Strip. It's also a cool night view. Sorry, I can't control the glare of that light. Yeah, it's loud. Our closet is right here. with a beautiful doorknob and wooden style. Inside, you will find 2 bathrobes and 2 slippers. Instead of an iron, there's a steamer. Minimalist and chic. We're moving towards the main door, and at first I thought this is a vanity table, but no, it's a work table. I'd say this chair is pretty comfortable and it's nice. Can I take this home? Here we have our fit check. I heard from a guest downstairs that this room used to have a see-through mirror right here. This chair is really comfy. We have an olive tree behind us and I kind of want to fix it. I have this thing at home, so you kind of have to like branch it out a little bit, but I don't know, maybe they did this design on purpose. Really have beautiful lamps over here. Over here is a massive TV. I think it's massive because they put a frame on it. Did you see this game? Portugal just won like 5 and didn't even give 1 point to Uzbekistan. Here you have your Nespresso. It's not a curated. You have free coffee here. I'm actually gonna have one. Ooh, I love this one. You have assorted sellable stuff here. They're also selling Vanderpump wines and vodka. This lamp again is so pretty. The question is, do we have space in the fridge? And how dare you think you have space? We have pictures here of Jiggy and then Madame Lisa. Her again. I think this green one is my favorite lamp. It goes well with this. This is pretty interesting. Really her watching you. And now it's time for our bed. It feels new. It's soft, but not too hard as well. It's the perfect bed. I want this in my room. Well, I think it's also because of the bed sheets. They feel so good. This linen is so good. I kind of want to get the brand of the bed and the brand of the linen. We did have queen bed, but this is a king size pillow. I wanna take this home. Like, do they sell this? Like, what's the brand? The comforter too is really nice. This room has that signature Lisa Vanderpump touch. Stylish, cozy, and more polished than your typical Vegas room. It's almost 8. We do have a reservation at Giara, 7:45. I'm glad our restaurant is only a 6-minute walk from the room. If this were at Caesar's Palace, that walk would have been way longer. This is exciting again, very dramatic. Every time we go up an escalator to a restaurant, I know it's gonna be expensive. Nice. Hi, reservations under babe. Just kidding, no one's there. So I guess we're just going in. Ooh, yeah. Yes. Oops, she got me. She's so fast.
Celebrating anything special tonight?
Just celebrating life.
I love it. Celebrate Tuesday, right?
She's definitely the hostess with the mostest. So upbeat and instantly made me feel welcome. Yep.
The regular menu to you.
Thank you.
House water, bottled water.
House water is fine. Thank you.
Absolutely.
We did win from Norway yesterday, so our dinner is paid. Celebrity chef Giada De Laurenti's restaurant features classic Italian cuisine with bright Californian influence. The menu blends traditional Italian family recipe with fresh, lighter California ingredients. What's the score between Croatia and World Cup? Oh, that was so quick. That was fast. We won over Panama. Sorry, Panama. It's just 1 point, but I know it's World Cup. It's very important. Oh, that looks amazing. Cheese wheel. Bon appetit. Colombia is playing right now. I kind of want to know the score. 0-0 until now. Oh my gosh, it might be a draw. Oh my god. This. Look at that. I'm the chicken. Perfectly cooked chicken. It does come with shrimp, but I like protein. It does look oily, but I don't care. It's RBK. This is the popular lemon spaghetti. It features hot pasta tossed in a bright, no-cooked sauce of fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. Ooh, my view is the flashing Eiffel Tower. I must say the staff are so nice and attentive. They know they're a good restaurant, but they're not full of themselves, which is a major plus for me. That dinner was good. You know, since this is a smaller hotel, boutique-style hotel, the music on every corner is different. You know how like rain like rain is on tropical islands. If I move a little bit, it's a different music. Let's walk a bit and play some casino machines. Almost 9 p.m. and their Starbucks still open. There's a poop inside the car. Oh, sorry, they're dogs. Interesting choice of color. Of course, we're gonna play some slots, but which one? Here's the corner of craps and blackjack. Right here, you can find $5 blackjack, $10 poker. There's even a $5 one. And there's also $25 craps. Also just saw the score and Colorado scored 1 point. So now we're ahead. This is nice. Here's the centerpiece bar and lounge space. It feels more like an upscale nightlife because of the decor. There's also live music here. Upscale or not, the best time is when you're having fun. What are we playing? You guys are both winning. That's a big win. It looks so fun. People are winning. Let's try it. Yes. Oh. What? All sounds, no win. Let's move. Here's the old school machines lined up here. Look, there's 4 games in one here. Last one. Okay. Let's go. All that for $2.75? Let's check on Colombia. It's final, we won. Thank you, World Cup. What is in this curious? Let's find out. Your convenience store. They also have some merch. They're selling their robe for $124. Oh, you just told me that they're gonna have the pillow soon. From the moment I walked into the Vanderpump Hotel, it felt like the space was all about the vibe. Everything from the casino floor to the pool to the room felt stylish, intimate, and way more curated than your usual Vegas stay. You can feel the personality in the design of the Vanderpump Hotel, and that makes the stay stand out. I really like that it actually feels like there's a real thought and style put into it. It doesn't feel like just another commercial Las Vegas hotel, but it was loud from the entrance all the way to the room. So if you want something quieter while still being right in the center of the strip, watch this video next.